What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in, back at the drawing board. Just got through doing a little bit more modifications on my custom steps that I'm designing. Want to give you another look. The way I'm gonna make them is, if a client want 8-foot steps or 10-foot steps, then I can make different patterns due to the size steps they want, as far as they wood planks that they want in the inside. So this is my structure. And like I say, this is only the prototype. That's why you see a lot of different welds and tacks and grind back off, because I had to try to figure the concept out. And I'm gonna have 2 connect bars. It's gonna be one to go across here, and it's gonna be like this. It's gonna have this one, it's gonna be welded in, and then this bar slide on there like that, and then you put a pin in it. You know how I want it the front, and then one going across the back, and you put a pin in it, and then the wood itself will hold the rest of the structure, together. So that's my concept of it, man. HogOn steps, like I say, that's something that I've been trying to figure out. Just like I say, trying to come up with a different product, man. Something out of metal. I like fabricating, I like designing, I like making things from my trade. So I wanted to come up with something that could actually be utilized in a few different markets, because yeah, we got all different type of steps like these wood regular steps. You can get these, make these dime a dozen, and people pay for them, but if you got something that's kind of custom and is fabricated correctly, most people would rather have something that's fabricated and designed, with a purpose, with a meaning, versus just something regular. So I wanted to think outside the box with these, man. If you like them, let me know how you feel about them, man. Like I say, this is my personal little design that I'm coming up with, and this is what I got so far, man. I'm calling them HogOn structural steps.